Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about vitamin C. This is a food supplement and this vitamin C is made out of oranges, lemons, tangerines, and it is a powerful antioxidant. This is the way vitamin C looks like. You just take one tablet per day, and this one is equivalent to 8 oranges. It is a food supplement. You don't need to fear to take it. It will help your body. It supports cellular functions in your body. Cellular functions, it means the cells in your body. We have many cells, so it supports the functions of the cells in your body. For example, if you have a cold and you take vitamin C, that is one of the benefits. You'll be all right. Also, if you have bleeding gums, people bleed in their mouth. When you take vitamin C, it will help you. If you are so stressed, you know, people, for example, you've gone to the office, there's a lot of work, you are so stressed, or even in your house, there's a lot of work to do in the house, you are so stressed. Just take vitamin C and it'll take care of the stress. Also, it helps wounds. For example, if you have a wound, people have wounds on their bodies and the wounds don't heal. When you take vitamin C, it will help you. And you know, these days people don't take fruits a lot. The fruits, that have left fruits for the children to take, or the people who are sick. Since we don't take in more fruits today, so you need to supplement by taking vitamin C. It helps to prevent iron deficiency in your body. It also protects your memory as you age. You know, as we age, we keep on forgetting many things, so it prevents memory. It protects your memory as you age. People who like eating nyama choma every day, especially men, they get gout. So it helps to prevent gout. It also lowers the risk of heart diseases or lifestyle diseases. There are very many: diabetes, heart disease. There are very many lifestyle diseases. When you continue taking vitamin C, your immunity is boosted, so it is very good. So it also helps to strengthen your teeth and your bones to be strong. So it is very important to use vitamin C food supplement. Also, with the formation of collagen. Collagen helps your body and your skin, and also when you continue taking vitamin C, it prevents your skin to be dry and the wrinkles that we get. When you use vitamin C, it prevents you getting wrinkles. And for example, I wasn't feeling all right, and then I started feeling bad, and I just remembered for a whole week I've not even taken any fruits. I had not even taken any fruits. I had not even eaten fruits. So I took vitamin C and then I started feeling all right. It is important to buy vitamin C and use it with your family members in the house. And if you want to read more about vitamin C, please click on the website below and then read more about vitamin C. It is a food supplement. You don't need to fear. And also, if you want to buy, you click on the website below and then you can buy online. You'll get the information there, including the price. And also, this vitamin C, it is called vitamin C sustained release. Sustained release, it means it is released in your bloodstream gradually. Because, for example, when you eat fruits to get vitamin C, when you go for a short call, it is released. Most of it gets out. So this is vitamin C sustained release. It is released in your bloodstream gradually. So remember to subscribe to my channel and click the like button, and also remember to leave comments. You know, comments, they help me to improve. And also remember to share videos with the other people so that they can benefit, or so that they can buy vitamin C. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you.